In this video we will learn about job opening fields in FlowHCM that will be used in job candidate form and job portal for candidates. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the recruitment module on top navigation bar. So here you can see recruitment settings form. Select job opening field. Here you can see all the fields that are available in system. Turn the active toggle button on for the fields that are required for input. After all the settings, click on Save button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your fields are successfully saved.